we are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well. So if you want to learn more, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So what is a parade? Well, a procession of people, usually organized. Parade, yeah, that's what it looks like. Different types of parades here from Google. A word from French originally. So how do you say it correctly? This is how you would spell it phonetically, alright? So let's break it down. Raid. Okay, parade. Oh, that's actually the plural here. Parade, singular, parades, plural. Stress on the second syllable. Parade is how you say it. Both British English and American English are similar here. So it's actually easy once you know parade. And now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. Let me know if you found it useful in the comments as well. Appreciate that. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.